In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to add hyperlinks to text in Framer. This could be really useful in your interface designing tasks since it can direct users to different pages or even external sites. Now, let's dive right in. Firstly, let's go over the simplest way, which is to link an entire text block. Look for the text layer on the canvas that you wish to hyperlink. It should be somewhere on your design board. Once you have the desired text layer selected, shift your attention to the right side Properties panel. Here you would find a variety of properties that you can modify for the selected text block. Among these properties, look for one that is labeled Link. Here's a helpful tip. It typically looks like a chain link. Within this link property, you would notice a plus icon. This little icon is your gate to establish the hyperlink. Go ahead and give it a click. When you do that, a field labeled Link To will pop up. Here is where you input the destination of your hyperlink. Depending on your need, you can either enter a URL or select another page from the list. If you are wondering where to find the URL, it is the web address that you see in your browser for any web page. Just make sure to copy and paste it correctly. Here comes an optional yet interesting addition that you can make. There is an option for choosing whether the link should open in a new tab. If this matches your needs, feel free to choose this. If not, you can totally skip this. Now that you are familiar with linking an entire text block, let's switch gears and learn how to hyperlink only a part of the text. Start off by double-clicking the text layer that contains the specific words you want to hyperlink. This would put you in edit mode. In this mode, you can highlight the specific words that you want to turn into a hyperlink. Now is the time to utilize the link option again. You should find it easy to spot. It either appears as a plus icon, similar to before, or as a link symbol. When you spot the right symbol, don't hesitate to click it. Just like when linking the whole text block, you now have to enter the destination of your hyperlink. Fill in the destination URL, or choose a page from the list as per your requirements. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to add hyperlinks to text in Framer. Again, remember this technique is great for not only improving the functionality of your designs, but also enhancing user experience. Happy designing!